one Valvindos project construction interior designer tour. Let's go. What we have here now, our beautiful floating staircase. Before it was bulky and very big staircase, blocking all the view, we got rid of it. Now we have this nice staircase. We will put here like a chair, mirror on this wall, some tables so you can come drop a key and a bag. This is entry to garage. Here we are going to have beautiful open space. So this is living room with fireplace. Here we are going to have gas fireplace and TV on this wall. So before fireplace was here, we actually moved it because we wanted to make some statement point after entering the house. So now you come inside and you see straight away it will be stone here, feature stone wall with fireplace. Here will be dining table with pendant lights. You will see pendant lights on the background, you will see the stone, and it will look so beautiful. You won't see mess which is normally happening near the TV. All these messes will be here. So TV is here, and here will be sofa, couch, and like it's nice to sit here and not to be visible from there while you're entering. Nice and cozy. Here we are going to have beautiful kitchen, island, towers with fridge, with wine fridge as well, some storage, kitchen with overhead cabinets, and pantry over there. It's gonna be really nice space and it feels big as well. So over there we are gonna have barbecues as well. And yeah, over here it will be barbecue area. Okay. Now we transition upstairs. Before I go upstairs, I'll show you here. So this is powder room. So here what we are having, vanity, it will be small cute vanity, toilet, shower, and laundry here. Will be like a bedroom with a study. So we are going to have here study room next to the window, robe. Before this rope was very big. We don't need this big rope. We reduced it to stand at 650. It gave us opportunity to locate actually bed, like a small bed here with two side tables and study room. So this is also like a nice cute room. Alrighty. Okay. Can we? Okay. Let's squeeze ourselves. What sometimes designers do. Alright, so let's do upstairs. Let's go here to master bedroom. So here, what we've done here, before we used to have a very small walk-in room. Basically this wall was here. A lot of space in corridor wasted. Very small walk-in room. We wanted to make it bigger. So we moved this wall and allowed a bigger space for master bedroom walk-in room. So now we have cabinetry here, and even a small island. Bed will be here. This is our master bathroom. And installation of tiles is going pretty well. This is our shower with nice big shower niche. Insert towel drain. Toilet, vanity, so when you come inside you see vanity, don't see toilet again, which is good. Toilet is hidden. Over here we're gonna have another cabinet, like it will be one big cabinet, very functional storage. Here what we have in this location, this is another bathroom. We are using different more calm tiles here. Shower, the shower niche, very similar layout to that bathroom. We are gonna have vanity here, floating vanity, toilet. We are gonna go full height with the tiles here. And what is here? Here is another bedroom with small walk-in room. Just nice location. Here will be the TV. Because we increased that rope, we moved door here. Before door was here, now door is here, and it's all broken. This is just another bedroom with a walk-in room. like this, TV on this wall, walk-in robe with plenty of storage. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Follow Studio DesignMile. Subscribe us in this YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. And of course, contact us for interior design. We are doing both new build houses and renovations. Have a good day.